Hey everyone, welcome to the Java Fundamentals tutorial. In this video, we'll be downloading the Java JDK, which we'll be able to use to write Java programs. So first, let's confirm if Java is already installed in your system so we don't have to follow the whole download. So basically what you do is go to the search, and keep in mind this is for Windows 10. So first, we go to the search bar right here, and then we type in cmd, which will be the command line. And here we want to run as administrator. Click yes. And here what we're going to do is type in Java and then version and then hit enter. Now if you get this message, then Java is probably not on your system, and that's completely fine. So we're going to be downloading the Java JDK off of the Oracle website. So now we're going to open up any web browser, whether it's Firefox, Chrome, or in this case Edge. So now that the browser is open, we're going to be going to any search engine. So in this case, we'll just try Google. Now we're going to be searching for the latest long-term support, which is currently Java JDK 11. Here we're going to go to this link, the Oracle website, so we can download the Java JDK. Now on this page, we're going to be scrolling down until we find the correct JDK that we want to download. So here we're looking for the Windows x64 installer, and we want to download the JDK that ends in exe. So if you have a 64-bit system, we want to download this one. And if you want to know how to download check if you have a 64-bit system, then all you have to do is go to click start and go to, or you can type in the control panel. You can go to system, and right here we see that we have an x64 based PC. Another way is to click on this PC, then right click, and then open properties. Okay, anyways, so we're going to be clicking this link right here. Then you click this check mark, and then you click download button. And here you're gonna have to log in, and if you don't have an account, then we're gonna have to create an account here. So if you don't have an account, you can click create account. So now we see that the Java JDK 11 is being downloaded, and that'll be downloaded to the downloads folder. Now that we've downloaded the file, we go to the downloads folder, and then we click this file right here, JDK 11. And now we want to click yes to this. So this is going to open up the setup wizard for the JDK. So here basically we'll just keep clicking next. Here we'll click next. And here this is basically the progress for the Java JDK download. So after this we'll just click close. And now the next step will be to set the JDK and the environment variables. So here we want to, in the search bar, we just type in control panel, and it's right there. And then from here, we just go to system and security, and we go to system, go to advanced system settings, And in the System Properties tab that opens up, in the Advanced tab, we click on the environment variables. So here under System Variables, this section, the bottom section, we wanted the path right here. So we click on that, and then we click the Edit button. And from here, we need to determine the location path of our JDK. So most likely it was downloaded to your program files folder, and we can verify that. So basically we just have to open up the File Explorer, then go to the C drive, and here we go to the program files. And then from here we click on the Java folder, and JDK 11.0.10, and then we click on this bin folder. So this is the path that we're going to be using. So we're going to be copying this whole path right here. And then in the environment variable window, we want to click edit, or click the new button rather. And then after that, we're going to paste that path, and then we click OK. And here we click OK again, and then we click OK, and we can just close all of these windows. So now we want to open up the command prompt in administrator mode to verify that the command prompt was downloaded, or to verify that the Java JDK was downloaded. So we type in Java space dash version, and we see that the Java version was downloaded. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. The next video will be downloading the IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment, and that will allow you to create Java programs and actual coding. All right, see y'all later.